So that's 8 passenger cars. None of them are light. Don't you love the IC, huh? Illinois Central. At any rate, it's pulling 4 amps. I'm betting most of that is the light bulbs on the train, not the engine. I should have tested the engine without a load. He's at 16 volts. And I can tell you, to start up there was some slippage, but he was able to pull, and he will get it going. And this transformer does seem to work. Something has changed, I don't know what it is, but it now seems to give me reverse, as it should. Now, my track may not be wired up as good as it could be. You know, I've done it several times, I never seem to get it right. I tested the inner loop of New York City, and it worked beautifully. And I tested it on the local loop between New York and Chicago, going around the stockyards and then back to the city, and it worked well on that loop with the spy cars. No, with the heavyweights. The heavyweights on it, that's right. The only thing that's happened since we've been going here is I lost the screw at the tender for the connector to the engine, and I didn't even know it until I went to back up. And I noticed the engine was smashing into the tender. And I thought, that's not right. And I went over and looked, and the coupler, the connector was just laying down. Not far away was the screw, so I just caught it apparently. It's a smooth running engine. It can take a load. Now, if your transformer is not big and fat, you could have some trouble with this load, especially with the condensate lights that are in there. It's at least half an amp, if not more. So you're drawing a little more, and you may hit the limits of your transformer. What I wanted to do was put the blunderbuss here, my American Flyer dual, on a railing and hook it up, but I don't have the time to do it, make the change in wiring and get it running and figure it out and make sure it's correct, and then load the train up and run it. It's already 4:45. I've been working on other things, tidying up, put the body on. You have to imagine this all one color. I think he's going with blue, I'm not sure. But the lines seem to me to work okay. It goes with the cab pretty much. And I wanted to do some more lights. Again, I just didn't get time. But the engine is not a problem. It's chuffing, it's smoking. I got so much rail noise you can't even hear the chuff. That's at 14 volts. Needs an amplifier, I'm guessing. It would definitely be louder. Okay, I'm going to hold it up right here and see now? Oh, I know what. Maybe it's the light bulbs that are taking the extra juice away. That's neutral. And there's reverse. You can hear the whing. That's the idle fan giving us reverse. Okay, so now let's see it start. That's the neutral. I know the fan is screaming. Oh, you're on silver. You won't be able to see the smoke. It's there. I could see it, but you won't. Probably not. Okay, so now I have a direction button here, or I can do the transformer. But what I've learned with a few lights on the engine, it'll take it. Okay, now look. See, it was spinning just a little bit, and it's pulling away. No traction tires. I jerked it. Something went on back here. These babies are old. I think that's good enough. Good enough. I'm going to unhook and change the layout and do some other stuff, but I thought I'd put this on, let you guys see it in full flag, more or less. Okay, that's it.